So this is what winning looks like. When we say we are making money, this is what we mean. Of course, I know that I was not using my own money, as I always tell you that I'm using a funded account now, of which I said that everyone can get their own funded account. Very soon I'm going to make that video and I'm going to give you guys the details and the know-how of how to get your own funded account. From as little as 30 US dollars, you will be running thousands in no time. So my trades are going quite well, except for maybe just these two, as you can see. But I definitely know, because this strategy I'm about to introduce to you, I know definitely they're going to come around. I'm really positive, 95% positive that they are going to come around. So my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. So this is the winning team. Today I'm going to be updating the strategy I once told you about on envelopes and using the RSI. So we're just going to be using those two today. As you can see, we'll be using RSI, the relative strength index, and envelopes. Don't worry, I'll be giving you the settings very soon, as in like right now. So maybe let's start from scratch so that we add these two and everybody is on the same page before I introduce the strategy to you. So let me just remove them. Easier said than done. You see, now we are now together. So my dear friends, let's go up there once again on the main chart. So we just press that F, and then we are now looking for relative strength index. Is not even far from where we are searching, it's just here. So just click relative strength index, and then you are going to find it on your default settings. And right now we're going to put period 1, apply to close, and then let's use 4 pixel with our black over there. And then please, to those who are new, we just come here so that we can be able to enter all these levels over there. So just click there, and then when you get this side, you're just going to go to that plus sign over there. So when you get to that plus sign, you are going to be getting the digits, and you'll be putting the numbers like 95, 89, 79, 0, 18, 9, and 5, and then you're going to put 3 pixel, and it's going to be red. And then you just go back and click save just up there. Please don't forget this one, very much important. Just click save over there. After that, we now have relative strength index. Maybe you check on the chart, you see now we do have our RSI over here. So now let's go back. Remember, you just click on the chart, and then you come on this place, just click that button, just click that function, and then you're going to get the indicators. But right now we're not going to use the main chart, so we're going to use the indicator window 1, and we click it, and now we are looking for envelopes. So envelopes is this one, so we just click on envelopes, and then please let's calibrate our envelopes indicator. So period 2, shift 0, deviation, and then as you can see, just please put it as it is, and then don't forget to click save again, and then we go back to our chart and see what we have. Amazing. Now we do have our RSI and envelopes this side. Now let's get to it. So this is what we do. Okay, let's go back to my wonderful trades going on this side. Let me choose the highest. So let me choose the highest. Is going to be on CDJPY. So let me choose that one, and everybody, we are on the same page. So let's choose this one, and then now this is it. So this is where we had placed our entry at this point. So basically, okay, first let me just explain to you how we do this strategy. So basically what we do is that we wait for price to touch the 9 level or the 89 line level, and then we wait for price to close below the 79 line level or above the 18 line level. As easy as that. So now let's take it step by step. Remember, move the chart sideways so that you are sure that price is not repainting. For instance, you see when I move the chart, it moves its position on the higher point. So let's start here, my dear friends. So down here, As you can see, price did touch the 9 line level, and then price came to close above the 18 line level at that point, and then that is when we can confirm our buy trade. And then for your next or dead confirmation, what you are going to do is to come to the chart, and then you are going to mind something on the chart. Let me say, for instance, let me just try to draw it for you. Let's say price is going up like this. So this is what we call the pullbacks or the steps, and we are going to mark that last step before price hits the 89 line level. So let's say it price hits the 89 line level at that point. So we're going to mark this last key level using this rectangle that you see over here, and then we wait for price to come down and cross or break that last key level, and then we are going to place our entry like that. So that is how simple it is. And then for instance, on this one we had a downtrend, and then price began to now reverse and go up. So we had our last, or let me just zoom it in for you so that everybody can see. Okay, I think now this is really visible enough. So price, this was the last pullback, so that was our last step, and then price did break the last step at this point. Thus we now put our entry over there. So that is how simple it is to use these things. So maybe let me look for another one that would have been profitable. For instance, let's check here. Price hit the 89 line level, and then price came to close below the 79 line level, so we can place our sell entry. But for your third confirmation, once again you can see this is where things began to change course, and then we said we look for the last key level or the last step. So when we zoom in, we can see that the last step was just at that point over there, and then price came and broke the last step at that point. So that is why now we can make our entry. That's the reason why we've got that over there. So my dear friends, this is not that hard, really. It's not. This is not that hard. Maybe for a third confirmation, let me look for another one, because I love you guys and I want you guys to make money. So I'm just going to be showing you this thing. Nice. Price hit the 89 line level, price came to close below the 79 line level, and then we go up and check up there, and let's see. So if we check over here, you can see that the last step was just at this point over here, and then you can see that price came to break the last step over there, and that is why we can now place our entries down there. My dear friends, this thing is simple. I'm telling you, as you can see, it's working. It's really working. I told you that this one is going to come back. You can see now it's really going down. So this strategy is working. Really, it is working. Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to send you that video so that you can get your own funded account and you'll be flying with these amazing colors. Remember, I told you, from as little as $30 you get your funded account. You won't be risking much of your money anymore. You won't be getting into debt trying to get loans to fund your account. This one will be your funded account, and the video will be posted on this channel. So subscribe so that you can get the video when I post it. So see you next time. Love you all.